So how do we actually move our own operation onto a blockchain? Well, the idea would be to do a process mapping in your organization of every different kind of process that goes on and the key moments where there's a transfer of information or money or assets between parties. And any kind of transfer point, a coupling point between two parties on a network, is a potential moment for blockchain logging and automation. And so if we think very broadly about the kinds of things we do in business or in government, there are two levels. And one is activities that require a human decision to be made. And the other level is just mere execution tasks that once decided upon can just be implemented. And this is a huge category of activity that can be just automatically executed once it's been decided about implementing it. And so the first sort would be mapping processes and identifying network coupling points where information or money is transferred and separating out the human decision-making part from the automated execution part. And that is the basic roadmap for how to implement blockchain technology to improve your business. There are two kinds of ways to think about blockchain leadership strategies. And one is that blockchains are by nature an EDI, a VPN, a way of connecting other parties in your supply chain, in your industry. And so one way of showing leadership would be to start or join the blockchain consortium in your industry, in energy trading, in real estate document management, in whatever your industry is. And so there are probably starting to be specific industry applications for your industry, and a leadership edge can be in maintaining and joining a blockchain consortium. The second kind of thing you might consider is offering client-facing blockchain applications. So thinking about the different kinds of operations involving information and money securely transferred with your clients, where a blockchain might be a way to automate and have a better way of doing what you're already doing. And so, for example, commercial banks are thinking about exactly this. How can I reach a whole new tier of customers with an electronic e-wallet banking application on a blockchain that I'm not able to address right now with my bank branches? And then the third kind of thing that you might consider with blockchains is internal cost savings and risk reduction. So in the internal functions of quality assurance, audit, all kinds of accounting approval processes, say sales quoting, RFPs, RFCs, all of these kinds of operations internally might be logged to a blockchain and better coordinated for risk and cost reduction. These three kinds of things: joining an industry consortium, offering blockchain applications to your clients, and managing costs and risks internally with blockchain software might be ways that are specific for you to start implementing blockchain technology today.